Hey team, so many changes coming down the pipes this fall that I wanted to take a moment to just share with you our new shared Usborne board that has boards within it. Whew, we're going to explore all of these, but about half the team is partying in events and about half the team is partying in groups. There are pros and cons to each. I can tell you in Messenger all the ins and outs if you are interested. But basically, the big advantage to groups is that you can schedule posts, where as events you can't do that. You have to post on the fly during the party. The advantage to events is it does notify your guests that the event is starting. So in groups, you really have to rely on your hostess sending those pre-party reminders so that people show up on time. Other than that, I have a strictly bookings board that has information about getting bookings, messaging people about bookings, just literally everything about bookings. And then hostess coaching and party template if you're going old school and you just want the straight up party list and you want the hostess coaching list. So let's just jump into one really quick. This is the new Making Memories board. This is hostess coaching and your party template all sprinkled throughout. So there's lots to see here. You can see there's, pre-party post. So lots to see sprinkled throughout. One thing that I do like about this, even though the scroll this direction is overwhelming, my lists were getting insanely long. So I love that this is consolidated to about 4 or 5 things to do within that time period, and I can get those checked off really quick and archive that list. So I've been really enjoying that. Like this one only has 3, so that's super nice. If you have not yet, it does tell you how to get your graphics and your videos, and I believe so. Yep, it has the link to the Google Doc. Let's just go there really quick. How to save your graphics. Okay, so here you can download them from the Google Drive here. So, yep, everything you need to know is there. All right, so let's pop back over to the groups one is basically the same thing. It just has some different verbiage. Okay, so the hostess coaching and party template is just that. It has the book teasers, has the regular hostess coaching party guide for 2020, and then it has travel with books. We have not created a just list of making memories yet, which is why it's not in here. So if that does get created, I will put it in this board for you to use. So whatever seems like it's going to fit you right now. I know everybody's in a bunch of different places, so I wanted to make sure you had access to the tools that you needed. So feel free to ask any questions.